After a person obtains guardianship over another adult that needs help dealing with some of their affairs, if there's a component of that guardianship that includes authority over finances, meaning that another person is appointed to handle assets or income and ongoing financial matters, then they may need help from a legal professional. Hi, I'm Chris Wilms. I'm one of the managing partners in the estate division at Hopler, Wilms & Hanna. I assist families with accounting paperwork. I'm a lot of fun at parties. And I assist families with doing all of what needs to happen to make sure that they can survive the very difficult court audits that they are subject to each year after a person is appointed as guardian. So after someone is appointed as guardian, if that includes financial authority, that person is going to be required to get a bond. And a bond is basically a promise to pay the court if you run off with the money. And they don't just take your promise at face value. They make you go get an insurance policy and pay a premium for that insurance policy. That's called a surety. And that surety, may run your credit, or they may agree to pay on your behalf if you run off with the money. But you may need assistance with obtaining that bond and filling out paperwork and things like that. You may need assistance with filling out the inventory. Within a few months after you're appointed, you're required to file a complete inventory with supporting documentation with the court showing all the assets of the person that you're in charge of. And if you show up a few months after being appointed and you don't have your paperwork together, that's not going to look good. So people often retain an attorney to make sure that their paperwork not only survives the court audit but looks good, so that if there's ever a question about the quality of the services being provided for that disabled adult, you look shining, at least from a paperwork perspective. The other thing that we assist with is each year after the person gets appointed as legal guardian of another, that person has to report to the court what they've done over the previous year, each year, in an annual account. They not only report the financial activity, they provide mounds of supporting documentation, invoices, receipts, bank statements, etc., to support what they've done. And oftentimes issues and errors, those are discovered when you're preparing that paperwork. We can assist you with maintaining your records in a way that will help you when it comes time to file your annual accounts. We can assist you with preparing the annual accounts. We provide assistance and advocacy for those that have made mistakes or need assistance with correcting annual accounts that have shown some sort of issue. And we assist families with ongoing maintenance and support for dealing with guardianships. So if you need help with anything in that category, any sort of financial component of guardianship, if you're struggling with it or you need assistance or you just want to get off on the right foot, we can certainly assist you with that. You can reach out to us by phone or right on our website using our contact form, and we have trained professionals ready to talk with you and assist you and be a guide and resource for you as you help this other person through their life.